congratulate you today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Asian Drama King, Mr. Jericho Rosales!
Hi.
Please join us over there, Sir Edo. Wow!
To sit beside you guys.
Jericho just said Mrs. Janine's dream to sit beside them. Talagang surprise to mga kapamilya. Hindi po alam ni Janine na pupunta si Mr. Jericho Rosales today. It really was a surprise. Thank you very much. And now everyone's exchanging hugs. Of course, Jericho Rosales. Also, a very familiar face here in ABS-CBN, one of our prized actors as well. Legendary Jericho
I'll
Rosales.
pay the talent fee. I'll be here.
Everyone please settle down. Yes, because we're gonna be hearing from Mr. Jericho Rosales. Hihingi po kami ng message sa inyo para kay Janine.
Sure, okay. Yun na lang.
Okay, first of all, thank God you signed the contract kasi kung hindi ako papasok. That was like you eh. Yeah, you wouldn't have received the flowers from your Star Magic family. So, it's always been about family. You started here because you love your family so much. And I love that story that you just, wanted to become an artist. You're an artist. You wanted to become an actor. Sayang, you didn't want to be a singer. You sing great. Yeah, pag tayong dalawa lang. But I'm so happy because you have dreams and I know your dreams and I know you personally. And a great family behind you, supporting your dreams. A great network. I've known Kuya Alan for so long. You know Tita Cory, Derek Lauren, of course, yung mga guwapong katabi mong dalawa. Yung tatlo pa dun sa gilid. And you're in good hands and you know that. So happy for, Pinky also. This is her dream to sit beside Carlo. And Derek Lauren. This is an amazing day for you and I know how much you wanted to seal the deal, to be a part of this family. So this partnership is going to be amazing and I look forward to your films, to your TV projects, and everything that you want to do. Have so much fun. I'm so proud of you. I love you. First time may nagsabi sa'yo I love you, no, sa TV.
Bart, buo po ba natin yung close up? Yes, first time pa lang yung
Pag-edit na lang po naka-live feed ba na?
Naka-live po tayo, wala nang bawian.
Anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Once again, Mr. Jericho Rosales, everyone!
On that note, ang swerte mo kasi I never had this eh. I never had, Tita Cory, I never had this Ganyan ka lang ang picture, tsaka may flowers na ganito. And Jericho singing. But, that's okay, I'm a kapamilya forever. You know that. Alright, I'm out of here.
We love you so much.